Hello kids, today we will begin with S blends. That's mean S and another consonant makes S blends at the beginning of the word.
S, S, L, L, S and L together. S, L, Sl, S, L, Sl. Let's learn words that start with Sl sound. Sl, app, slap. A mommy slap her baby when he is mischief. Sul-eyed, slide. Baby, go downward smoothly for make more fun. Eve, sleeve. Sleeve is a part of a garment that cover arms. Oh, slow. A turtle walking very slow. S, S, C, K. S and C mix together sk sound. Sk, 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 ooter, scooter. A scooter is a bicycle or tricycle with very small wheels, and some scooters have a motor, some have pedals, and some are pushed with forks. Scooters with motor are called motor scooter. They include motor scooter and kick scooter. This type of scooter rider needs driver license. Scarf. Scarf. Scarf is a long piece of fabric that is worn on or around the neck, shoulder, or head. A scarf is used warmth, sun protection, cleanliness, fashion, religious reason, or to show support for a sport club or team. School. School. A school is an educational institution designed to provide learning spaces and learning environment for the teaching of students. Under the direction of teacher, most countries have system of formal education, which is sometimes compulsory. In these systems, students progress through a series of school. S, S, K, S and K makes together sk sound. S, S, K, K. S and K makes together sk sound. Sk, eight, skate. Skate is a sport in which blade-like runners or set of wheels attached to shoes are used for gliding on ice or other surface. Skating are many types: figure skating, ice skating, roller skating, and speed skating. Skating for kids can be a fun and rewarding activity for kids of all ages. It builds strength, balance, and coordination while also providing a great source of exercise. Skating is a great way to spend time with friends or family, and it's a sport that can be enjoyed year round. Skip. Skip. Rope skipping is a simple sport that many people have played in the school. It involves swinging a rope so that it goes over the head and under the feet. As the rope passes under the feet, the player jumps. There are many different rope skipping techniques. Some involve three persons, two turn the rope and the third jumps. However, many techniques can be accomplished by a single participant who both turn and jump the rope. In addition to being a fun pastime for children, rope skipping is also a useful form of exercise. It provides a good cardiovascular workout. Sky. Sky. The sky is an unobstructed view upward from the surface of the earth. It includes the atmosphere and outer space. It may also be considered a place between the ground and outer space, thus distinct from outer space. In the field of astronomy, the sky is also called the celestial sphere. This is an abstract sphere concentric to the Earth, on which the sun, moon, planet, and star appear to be drifting. Small, small. Small mean not large in size, number, amount, etc. Rat is smaller than elephant. Smoke, smoke. Smoke primarily consists of particles and can include other gaseous air pollutants, including nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, and hydrocarbon, that may be toxic. Exposure to smoke can cause health effects and make existing health conditions worse. S, N, N, S and N make together sound. Snail, snail. A snail is a celled gastropod. The name is most often applied to land snail, terrestrial pulmonate gastropod, mussels, mollusk. However, the common name snail is also used for most of the members of the molluscan class gastropoda that have a coiled shell that is large enough for the animal to retract completely into.